Well, it's 4:03. I'm waiting for the subway, and it wasn't that bad. I was on Apple support, and it looked like it went great, but they couldn't help anything with what I was doing, and they said I would get a call, and I scheduled it for right after work, and I wasn't going to wait, so I was walking, and it was windy, and I'm on the bus, and I get a call. And then it's a guy speaking French, but the call was from Texas. And it's like I had to re-explain everything. The upper support said I wouldn't have to, that she would send the conversation to him. And so then he wanted to see everything, and I'm like, I just hung up because I'm on the bus. I'm like, my phone doesn't... Motherfucker, I'm going to go in person tomorrow. So I guess it looks like I'm shooting videos on Instagram Reels and putting them together. I hope this doesn't use too much data. Here comes the subway. Alright, let me get my bags. In any rate, I prefer that he asks for the glasses instead of money. At least I know he's not buying drugs, you know what I mean? So I don't mind that. And I was already coming off of something good. It was kind of like a let people have a seat type of moment. I did it twice on the ride home, and other people were doing it. So that kind of put me in the momentum for, keep giving. I just shot a clip and I realized I raced over another clip. So you don't know what that last clip meant. Well, someone came and took my glasses. Well, I gave it to him. I mean, he was just coming up to me and being all nice, and he said, "Oh, you're strong. What if I took that?" And I'm like, "Take it. They're expensive because they're on my around here." And I said, "You're gonna have to clean them because I don't clean them. Full of sunscreen and stuff, or whatever." They asked me if I wanted to use my phone, and I'm like, I don't have one because this phone's all fucked up anyway. So I'm getting used to these Instagram reels. You know, it's weird. It's like it's very windy. I'm pretty sure it's going to rain soon because it's been hot the past couple of days. But because I've had to change my way of doing things because of what life brought to me, meaning I can no longer use the video to record. I use this, and already the methods have changed in the way I'm doing things. It's weird. I adapt so well.